Special Agent Fox Mulder here. We're just down at the Bluescope Y. That's the end of the train that I filmed just earlier, but also the end of the hoppers, which I showed shunting on a video, which I've released the last couple of days. Part 2 tomorrow. We're actually going to watch the Doodlebug, the passenger train, flick along that bit of line there. You can see in the distance. And there's the Y just on the other side of the track there. Okay. We have what is both an electric and manual switch. Feeble, that's about right, feeble grained. So you can see all the mechanics. I can't get any closer to live track. Okay, that's the Y for the Bluescope steel train. And the other track from this point on is solely used by the passenger train. I just filmed the train just up there earlier today. So we can actually see what we call derailleurs, which they like to offer at every switch, just in case the train drops the wheel in, and then instead of going all over the place, he'll just drop his wheel in between those two guys. So I just heard a horn. Hopefully that's the Doodlebug. Now this is different. All stood up there on some square brackets there, and it looks like, just to me, to be a derailleur in case the steel train goes forward, I suppose. There's the switch itself up there, and no lights from this direction because the trains only run from past here down to Stony Point from this point on. The other side of that, there'll be a red light. Let's go and have a look. And there we go. Got a red low ball and a red high ball. Once the Doodlebug flies past, that will change to yellow and then green. Pressure sensor. Axle counter with debris shields on either side of the track. If anything's hanging off the train and hits those, it will send off a little signal in the train engine, and it'll bring it to a stop. They're anti-drag equipment. And here's our main switch. See the R written on there. This is turnout 1 for Bluescope. Quite a big one. It's both electronic and manual. And we can probably do with some grease. We've had some grease on it the last probably 6 months, but apart from that, not much else. Okay, that's enough of the infrastructure. Let's wait for the train. Doodlebug ahoy! Across Frankston Flinders Road. Kind of ambling today. There he goes. A couple of private driveways just ahead there for him to shoot at. So I think there's 3 in all before he gets the tide. He's out of Canada today. We'll just go around and watch his signal change. Well, that probably actually won't change until he gets quite a fair way down the track, so I'm wasting time here, I think. So when the next train comes along, it'll just go to yellow and then green. Alright. Down at the maintenance away shed, at the switch, at the Y. Bluescope, Australia. Hastings, Victoria. And that's another special agent. Another special agent Fox Mulder video out of the way, and that'll be Special Agent Fox Mulder out.